Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are diving into Google Drive. Yeah, truly you probably think you know well, but there's actually so much more to it. From smarter organization to sharing files efficiently, I will walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of Google Drive. So let's jump right into it. But before that, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, you have to head over to Google Drive and open up your Google Drive. And if you are on your Android or iPhone, then you can just download their site, official site. Now click on it and sign in. Tap on to sign in, and it will sign in to you automatically. Now let's tap the 9 dot grid icon in the top right corner. Here you can see this option and select drive. This takes to your Google Drive dashboard, and also you can just go directly to it. This takes you to your Google Drive dashboard, as I told you, where you will see sections like this: home, my drive, computers, recent, share with me, shared, spam box, trash box, and your storage. Let's say by uploading and organizing files, click on the plus new icon at the top left corner. Here you can see this option. Tap onto it, and now simply click onto new folder. Now you have to give a name to your new folder. So for me, I'm gonna just create it to let it to example. I'm gonna write its name to example folder. Okay, now let's tap on to create. So let's go and tap on to create. As you can see, it is working on it, and here you go, that the first one is example folder. Now for example, I want to back up my photos, or I will, okay, let me show you how you can upload photos to it. So just simply go and tap onto file uploads, and from there you can just choose your files to upload into Google folder. For example, I'm going to choose these two, and then tap open. So to open new folder option, this one, you have to just simply right click on your folder, and then here you can see this option, file folder. You can also upload folder if you wish to. You can find many folders right here. Let me show you. So here you can see folders, you can just upload them. For example, if I want to back up my photos, I'll create a new folder and name it, okay, T pictures. Okay, for example, I want to back up my photos, so I'm gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna name it to like backup pics, and then create, tapping on the create option. So once created, you can right click on the folder. Okay, let me reload the page. Where is that? Okay, let me reload the page first. And here we can see backup pics. Okay, so once created, you can just simply right click on it, and on the folder go to organized option, and even change the color to make it easily recognizable. So I'm going to choose it to like this. I like to color code mine because this helps to find out the folders much more easily. Now inside that folder, I can further organize. Wait, I can further organize things like moves. You can add shortcut, or you can add it to shared. Now to open the file folder, now click onto this. Like if you want to upload pics, as I told you, you can do it. Now tap on to right click onto, then tap on to file upload, and from there you just have to upload your files, and your upload will continue in the background if you navigate away. Okay, like this. So this is how you can use it. Now let's make a typo, no problem. Like if you have made a typo, no problem, just right click on the folder or file and click rename it. Okay, So as you can see this, and you just rename it, and then you can tap OK. You can also add it to his thread if you wish to. Here you can see, like it, if you want you can add to start, and these start folders are easily accessible in the start section. You can also sync Google Drive with your devices. You can go to the computer tabs and download Google Drive for desktop. This allows any file you save on your device to automatically back up to your drive. So now to share a folder or file, I will show you how you can do it. At the right click on it, like to share file or folder, right click on it, and then you have to choose email directly. Let me find the option. Okay, so just here we can see this option, three dot icon. You can simply tap onto it, or either you can tap onto this plus icon, this human plus icon. Okay, let me show you how can just simply share a whole folder. So just go there, go to the folder you want to share, share also you can choose them here, and here you can see this option, the first one, or simply you can just click Control Alter and A, like Control Alter and A. Okay, and then you can able to share it. So just tap onto that icon, and from there you can edit it. Like if you want to show it to anyone with the link, then you can set it up to that, and if you want to restrict the power to see people your file, then you can just restrict it. So for now I'm going to tap onto anyone with the link and then copy link and then tap done. Don't worry, if you send the file folder of this link to anyone, they would not be able to view all of these other files from here. Okay, so don't worry about that. So this is how you can copy the link, and you just simply have to share the link with someone that you want to show the site. Okay, so this is how you can view it. You won't be able to watch other folders, like they won't be able to watch other folders. So that was it. This is how you can use Google Drive very easily. And if this video is helpful, do not forget like and subscribe. And if you have deleted anything mistakenly, you can find it that at the trash box here. You can see that. So that was it for today. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and comment below that what type of videos do you wanna see.